my friends, welcome back. Just today I'm driving on the 73 toll road highway. I just want to give you a little POV, how it looked like and what the road looked like. I mean, it's just very good condition highway. I started from Laguna Miguel. I'm gonna head back to Newport Beach, and instead of taking the 405, I'm taking this 73 highway to save some time so that I can get to the the next destination faster, so that I can save some time and get things done faster, more time, just more efficiency in my time. So yeah, just hope you enjoy the view, the POV. Yes, it's surrounded by mountain and this looks beautiful. I don't know, to me nature is amazing, and human even more amazing when we building these highway, across the mountain. Just beautiful. Human technology is like crazy. Through time we get more and more technology, better and better, building things, more advanced. So yeah, and enjoy the view. I'm gonna stay quiet. Beautiful view, guys. So if you got a chance, just exploring it. Get on the 73 highway and then just exploring and see how's the drive. You'll like it. I already like it. I love it. Look, like amazing view for the city from a higher point of the highway. Is it worth it? Is it worth the drive? Yes. I say yes. It's worth it.